All right, good morning. Happy New Year, everybody. As my last year's um, commitment was to start recording my and journal my entries and my trades every day. So this is my first video of 2026, documenting my journey, my trading journey as we go. Um, I took two trades today, one on Apple and the other on Google. Both were towards the long side. I saw a break and retest here at a pre-market high level. The ticker was already breaking through previous day high, so that was a confluence there. And then I had this long high time frame level as well, which is in yellow, and then a pre-market high retest. So it breaks pre-market high, does a retest, and then come and I enter in this on the second candle here with the displacement. This was my entry here. I took along the way, I took some scales. I took my first scale on day on half the day, and then the second scale I took on previous week high, and then I took scale on this long-term level that we have here, the high time frame level, and then I took a scale here on half the day, and then I held the trailer position from here, and this is where when it broke, the spread candle came down all the way and was kind of hovering here and broke structure. I took my last one out here. So this was my Apple trade today. Moving on to my Google trade was more of an aggressive one. It was Google had some news today. Some of the CEOs and financial markets being optimistic on Google, so Google had was on my target list. I was watching it, well above previous day high. My idea of taking break and retest is the ticker needs to be either close to or be higher than previous day high. That's when I'm gonna go take a position on it. So it ripped through. I waited, went up pretty aggressively initially, came back. Um, and then did a retest of pre-market high right here and VWAP, and then was a really nice hammer stick candle here. I entered right at the top of this candle, maybe a little bit of a late entry, but I need some confirmation that there will be some positive momentum on this. So entered right here. Um, Took my first scale on 5-minute high, which was right here, and then took my second scale right on this candle top right here, actually right here, and then it started coming down, waited for it, came all the way down here, did not, since it did not hit my stop, I did not sell it. And then from there, it came back, and then I took most of my scale out here. I most scaled out here and left the trailer position. Then it started chopping, and then once this candle, it put in this red candle, I went ahead and got out of the position. So not a big runner, Google, but Apple was pretty good. So these are two trades that I took. Um, let me know if you have any. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions or feedback. Thank you.